Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Robux using your Visa gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you want to buy Roblox, then get into Roblox website. So open up the website and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, you're on your page here. So now we're going to buy Robux. So click on Robux here. So now we get to the buying page here. So now here choose the package, the Robux package that you want to buy. So whatever that is, so just choose that and then click on it. So now we get to the payment page here. So when you get to this payment page here, so if you want to use your Visa card, you can simply select this debit card option. Click on the debit card option and then provide the details of your Visa gift card, and then once you've provided the one, and then click on next and complete the payment. So that's how you can buy Robux using your Visa gift card. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this information video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.